Introducing OnePlus 15.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the brand new OnePlus 15, the latest flagship from OnePlus. This phone brings a big jump in design, performance, camera, and battery. Let's quickly break it down in a clean, honest 2-minute review. The OnePlus 15 comes with a premium metal glass build, extremely thin bezels, and a curved display. The phone feels lightweight but solid in hand. The camera module has been redesigned, giving the phone a modern and classy flagship look. It features a stunning 6.82-inch AMOLED LTPO display, 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 3500 nits peak brightness. Whether you are gaming outdoors or watching HDR videos, this screen is bright, smooth, and super responsive. The OnePlus 15 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, paired with super-fast LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Apps open instantly, gaming performance is flagship level, and overall the phone stays cool, even under heavy tasks. OnePlus has upgraded its cameras this year with a 50MP main sensor with OIS, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP telephoto with optical zoom. The photos have great dynamic range, natural colors, and improved low-light performance. The selfie camera is sharp and handles skin tones really well. Video recording is stable and smooth, especially in 4K and 8K modes. With a 5,400 mAh battery, the OnePlus 15 easily lasts a full day. The phone supports insanely fast 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, taking you from 0 to 100% in minutes. Battery optimization on Oxygen OS also performs excellently. The phone runs Oxygen OS 15, clean, fast, and bloat-free. Animations feel polished, and multitasking is super smooth. OnePlus promises long-term software and security updates, making it future-proof. So overall, the OnePlus 15 is a powerful, premium, and polished flagship. If you want strong performance, a great display, fast charging, and a clean software experience, this phone is absolutely worth considering. Tell me in the comments, would you buy the OnePlus 15? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.